In today's video, I'll show you how to find your voicemails on your iPhone in iOS 26. Let's get into the method. Since the update, this location may have changed, so open the phone app and tap on Calls at the bottom. Now tap on the filter icon in the top right corner and choose Voicemail to see the list of voicemails on your phone. If you prefer the old phone layout, you could revert to this by again tapping on the filter icon in the top right, then choose Classic at the top. That's how to find your voicemails on your iPhone in iOS 26. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.